Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java JDK 10 on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started. First of all, open your terminal. So you can just press Ctrl Alt T in order to open the terminal, or you can go here and search for terminal in order to open the terminal. So once the terminal is open, the commands are relatively simple. I have just written all the commands together, and these commands I'm also going to paste it in the description, so you can just copy all these commands one by one and then install Java JDK 10. So the first command is to add the PPA repository. So I'm going to just copy the first command and I'm going to just paste it here and then press enter, which is going to ask for my Ubuntu's password. I'm going to give my Ubuntu's password and then press enter. And in here it asks me to press enter to continue. So I'm going to just press enter to continue. So this is finished. So let's copy the second command, which is to update. So sudo apt-get update, and I'm going to just paste the second command and then press enter. And this command is also finished. So let's install Java JDK 10 using the last command, which is sudo apt-get install oracle Java 10 installer. So I'm going to just copy and then paste this command and then press enter and then press Y and then press enter. And after some times you will see this message which says Oracle Binary Code License Agreement for Java SE Platform Products and Java FX. So I'm going to just press enter. And the second message is, do you accept Oracle Binary Code License? So I will just use my arrow key to come on yes and then press enter. So the installation of Java JDK 10 is finished on my system, and at last you will see this message which says Oracle JDK 10 is installed, and then you will see an important note here, and this message says to set Oracle JDK 10 as default, install Oracle Java 10 set default, and the command for this is this one. So the command is sudo apt-get install oracle -java 10 -set default, which I have also written on this document. So I'm going to copy this command from here and then I'm going to paste it on my terminal and then press enter, and then everything is finished now. So let's check whether Java JDK is installed and which version of Java is installed on our system. So for that I'm going to open the next terminal, or the second terminal. And in here I'm going to just give this command to check the version of Java, which is Java -- version, which is going to give us the Java version. And you can see Java 10 is the latest version. And we can also check the Java C command, which is used to compile Java code. So Java C -- version and then press enter. And it says Java C 10.0.1. So everything is working fine on your system. So this is how you can download and install Oracle Java 10 on your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.